Have you tried YouTube advertising? If you haven't, you really ought to consider giving it a try. YouTube has over 1 billion users, and they get an insane amount of traffic each day. Plus, users are always looking for something specific, so it's easy to target the people you really want to get your ad in front of. If you're already into video marketing, you'll have a bit of a leg up. You can probably use some of the videos you've already created as ads. But even if you've never created a video in your life, it's a lot easier than you probably think. Worst case scenario, you can hire someone on Fiverr to create a video ad for you. You're probably thinking you need a small fortune to get started, but the fact is, YouTube ads are actually a lot more affordable than you probably think. If you have a decent video and landing page, and choose your targeting options well, you'll probably find these ads outperform just about anything else you've tried. Video is hot, and will only get hotter as time goes on. If you want to go where the people are, video is definitely the way to go. The thing is, there are a few tricks to really making the most out of YouTube ads. Over the next few videos, I'll be teaching you some of the best methods for making the most out of these ads. You'll learn tricks like how to make sure you're getting the best conversions, what type of videos you should be creating, how to siphon traffic from your competitors' videos, and a lot more. And don't panic if you don't know the first thing about creating videos. We'll take a look at a few different ways you can get high-quality videos without a bunch of high-tech knowledge required. In fact, you can even get other people to create your videos dirt cheap if you know where to look. So don't make the assumption that video ads can't work for you because you don't know how to make your own. Trust me, there are some tools that make creating videos so easy a 5-year-old could do it. Today, you should just spend some time familiarizing yourself with the way YouTube ads work. Check out the links in the description below to learn the basics about creating ads with YouTube via AdWords. This will give you a good foundation understanding about what we will be covering over the next few videos in this series. In the next video, we're going to take a look at ways you can boost the conversions you get from your ads on YouTube, and how you can track your traffic and results in order to tweak your video campaign and landing page in order to significantly increase your results.